Good afternoon, everyone. I, Dr. Monica Singla, Associate Professor, Department of Neurology from Dayanand Medical College and Hospital, Ludhiana. I welcome you all in Wellbeing by BBN. Today, I am going to talk about headaches. Headaches, we know that it's a very common problem. And in this COVID pandemic, we have seen there is a rise in number of patients with headache. I think there are many reasons why this headache is increasing. Lot of people are under stress because of this COVID pandemic, so there is increase in headache. So first let me share with you what is headache, why it happens, what are the main types of headache, what are the causes. Then automatically you will understand about the remedies of headache. Headache, we know that there is a pain in our head or in the brain. It can be because of the various reasons. The common type of headache is migraine, which we see in day-to-day life. Very commonly, people complain of unilateral headache in half of the head, pulsatile headache, usually above the eye they have pain. And with this headache, there can be associated nausea, feeling of vomiting, you don't feel like eating, you have photophobia, phonophobia. What do you mean by photophobia and phonophobia? Means fear of light, fear of sound. You don't like bright lights. People say, I don't have photophobia, but yes, I want to sleep in the dark room. I don't like noise. I get irritable with the kids' noise in the house. So these are all symptoms and signs of migraine. And sometimes this headache may last for 2-3 hours, sometimes it may last for 2-3 days. So this is all migraine. Sometimes it may be converted into the chronic daily headache. Initially you have migraine-like symptoms, but later people say that 24 hours I am headache. Every day I wake up with headache, I sleep with headache. So it can be chronic daily headache of migraine, or sometimes it can be tension headache. You feel band-like sensation over your forehead, overhead, tightness feeling. So it can be tension headache related with the stress. So these are the benign type of headaches which can be controlled easily with medications. But we need to be clear that sometimes headache can be because of some serious cause. If there is a severe headache in the brain which has started very recently, over few days, you are getting up at midnight with headache, you are feeling like to suddenly vomit, and there is a pressure in the eyes, so it can be serious. It can be because of secondary to some kind of clot or secondary to some type of tumor in the brain. So this can be a serious type of headache. For all these headaches, we need to consult our doctor. And if there is a recent type of headache, change in the character of the headache, along with severe vomitings, midnight wake-ups, we need to consult a doctor. So what are the causes of migraine or tension type headache? Migraine usually happens in the young people. So what are the causes? If you are not eating well, you are eating your breakfast very late, there is a lot of gap in your meals, breakfast and lunch, there are gap of more than 6 hours, 8 hours, we are working, we don't eat our meals at regular intervals. So it can lead to headache. Sleep cycle. Altered sleep cycle is one of the main reasons of migraine. You are sleeping too late at night, you are getting up late in the morning, or duration of sleep is very less. It can also lead to headache. I think these days people are using lot of technology. There is lot of screen time, especially for the kids. So these days we are watching that migraine has increased in the school children, because in the daytime they are always on their mobile phones or laptops attending classes, increased screen time. But when they have this availability of mobile phones in their hands, they are using these mobile phones for playing video games, for talking to their friends, continuous chats, and they are not sleeping on time at night. So this is also one of the reasons of an increase in the migraines, because of the altered sleep cycle. Third thing, we are just sitting and eating at homes. No exercises, no walks, so lethargy. Another reason can be when you are working outdoors, you are going in the sunlight. These days, hot, humid weather, it leads to increased migraine. And you are traveling too much, it leads to migraine. So how we can control this migraine? As I told, most important is meals. Eat early breakfast, eat at regular intervals, which will lead to improved metabolism, reduced weight, and healthy lifestyle. So migraine will be very less. We should eat frequently. Early morning breakfast is very important. Second is sleep. We need to take care of the sleep. Sleeping early and getting up early in the morning is very good for health. but sleep for 7.5 to 8 hours daily. So that's very important. If we do some yoga or exercise in the morning, that will help in reducing weight, eating, controlling our emotions, and controlling headache. Another reason of the migraine is stress. Too much of stress leads to headache. If we are following some healthy lifestyle, doing yoga or meditation, eating controlled but eating frequently, it will lead to less stress. And keep talking to your family about your stresses, keep talking to your friends about your stresses, so that you can share and you can get relieved. So, my dear friends, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep your headaches under control. If any queries related with headache or any neurology problem, you are most welcome to put your queries in the chat box below, and I'll be happy to solve all your queries in my next video. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.